Hi guys, good morning to all of us. My name is Vince Philip is Garcia, a Bachelor of Elementary Education major in General Curriculum student. So today we're going to tackle about the Stufflebeam'S CIPP model. Okay, so the CIPP model was created in the 1960s by Daniel Stufflebeam. So it is considered a decision-oriented model that systematically collects information about a program of identity, strengths, and limitation in content of delivery to improve program effectiveness and or other for the future of a program. The CIPP evaluation model is a comprehensive framework for guiding evaluation of programs, projects, personnel, products, institution, and system. So now, let's talk about what does CIPP stands for. Okay, so CIPP stands for context, input, process, and product. So what is CIPP model? So CIPP model is an evaluation model that requires the evaluation of context, input, processes, and product in judging a program's value. As you can see in the picture, this is the example of the CIPP model. So first, let's talk about the context evaluation. So what is context evaluation? Context evaluation is an assessment of overreaching goals, exploring backgrounds, information, and cultural context are all components of this stage of evaluation. So it answers the question what needs to be done. The goals of the context evaluation is as follows. So first is beneficiaries, next is needs, next is resources, problems, background, and environment. So that are the goals of context evaluation. Now, let's talk about input evaluation. So what are the plans in input evaluation? So first is stakeholders, strategies, budget, coverage, and the research. Okay, so what does input evaluation mean? Input evaluation, in this stage, it collects information about planning and strategies for implementation, including human resources and timeline. It answers the question, how should it be done? Okay, remember, it answers the question, how should it be done? Okay, next, let's talk about process evaluation. So here in the process evaluation, we have actions. So first is a development, next is the implement, next is monitor, and lastly feedback. So now let's talk about process evaluation. So what is process evaluation? So process evaluation is on the implementation of the action, developing and monitoring and execution of the plans, and it gives feedback, and also it covers the actual work happened and testing. So it answers the question, is it being done well? Okay, remember, in process evaluation, it answers the question, is it being done well? Next, let's talk about product evaluation. So here in the product evaluation, we have outcomes. So first is impact, next is effectiveness, transportability, sustainability, and adjustment. So product evaluation. So product evaluation focuses on the result. The evaluators measure the outcomes of the program and thoroughly analyze and effectively these outcomes are being addressed. So here in product evaluation, it answers the question, did the effort succeed? Okay, remember, here in product evaluation, it answers the question, did the effort succeed? So, in conclusion, CIPP model provides a way to evidence, so base data with which to validate findings and develop a clearer understanding of the process and the problems encountered with creating learning spaces. Things to remember when you undertake an evaluation study using CIPP. So, the evaluators must take into consideration. So first, always remember the feasibility of the project scope. Next is the significance of the evaluation. Third is the project outcomes. Next, the equity of the project makers. And lastly, the stakeholders. So that's all. Thank you for watching and always remember the CIPP model.